Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make bait in Heartopia. So, to land the rare and legendary species in Heartopia, you need to stop using the basic stuff and start crafting your own high tier bait. And in here, I'm going to show you the recipes and where to find the ingredients to fill your collection book fast. So to create a bait, you just need an apple as the materials, and there are two ways to get the material. The first one, you can find apple tree like this. Then you can just open your toolbox and hold your axe. And in here, you can just swing your axe on the tree like this, and you'll get the material, which is the apple, like that. Or you can also ask Vanya, the NPC in the game, about the material. Okay, once you have the material, you can just use or create the bait at the workbench. So in here, I'm going to just go to my workbench, and here I'm going to craft a bait. Let's say I'm going to create 5. I think I'm going to just create 3. The material is not enough. And after that, you can just click on craft. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. And just like that, now you just create your own bait. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.